Hello, calculus fans. Okay, so we've previously defined the derivative of a function at a fixed number a, and we've written it down as a limit. And it's the same limit that we've seen many times now. It's this limit as h goes to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. And we use this notation f prime of a to talk about the derivative. We're going to take a slightly different perspective now. So when we did this before, we're thinking of a as just being a fixed number. It could be 3 or pi or 80. But now we want to do it in a different way. We're going to replace this fixed number a with a variable. Now it's the same formula, it's just that instead of seeing the a, which we should be thinking of as just some number, there's a variable in its place, and we're allowed to change this value x to whatever we like. Now depending on what we pick for x, this limit may or may not exist. Now when it does, we're going to assign x to the number f prime of x. So this actually is going to define a new function, f prime, and we're going to call that the derivative. So our new perspective here is that the number that we're plugging in is going to be allowed to vary. We think of it as a variable, and that creates a new function. Now one of the things that we've said many times is that this f prime of x, it represents the slope of the tangent line to y equals f of x at the point x, comma, f of x. And now this x is allowed to move to different places. So it actually tells you the slope of the tangent line at any given point on the curve. And this is again assuming that this limit exists. Okay, that's all for now.